Welcome to Best 5 Choice. The best water filter is probably one of the most essential appliances you can have in your home, ensuring that every drop of water you consume is not only refreshing but also free from harmful contaminants. In today's world, where water quality can be a significant concern, investing in a reliable water filter system is paramount for the health and well-being of your family. This review will delve into the features, performance, and overall value of the Aqua Pure, helping you make an informed decision about this popular choice. Number 5. Aqua CREST Filter Replacement for PUR Water Filter. Experience cleaner, better tasting water with our advanced filtration system. It effectively reduces chlorine, taste, and odor for a refreshing difference. Rest assured, our filters are NSF certified for your safety. They meet strict standards for reducing chlorine, lead, and improving overall water quality. Enjoy the benefits of premium coconut activated carbon. It significantly reduces chlorine and other impurities, enhancing your drinking water experience. This filter provides long-lasting service, ensuring healthy drinking water for months. Replace it every 3 months for optimal performance, though this may vary with your water quality. Designed for seamless integration, it's compatible with a wide range of PUR faucet water filters. Enjoy easy installation and reliable performance across various models. Before use, simply soak the filter in clean tap water for 3 minutes. This helps flush the filter and release any trapped air bubbles for immediate use. What we like? This filter offers excellent NSF certified chlorine reduction and a long service life. If you're looking for a cost-effective way to improve your tap water taste and odor for an extended period, this is a great choice. It's ideal for households that want reliable filtration without frequent replacements. What people say. The water filter is very easy to install and use. It effectively removes chlorine and other impurities from the water. The design is sleek and modern, fitting well with my kitchen decor. Number 4. Aqua CREST Faucet Water Filter Replacement for PUR. Experience cleaner, better tasting water with our advanced faucet filter. It's designed to significantly reduce chlorine, taste, and odor for your daily enjoyment. Rest assured, this filter is NSF certified for chlorine reduction and lead-free materials. It meets rigorous standards to ensure the quality of your drinking water. Our filter features premium coconut activated carbon, effectively reducing up to 97.2% of chlorine. Enjoy improved taste and odor-free water, free from sediments and rust. Enjoy healthy drinking water for up to 9 months or 900 gallons. For optimal performance, we recommend replacing it every 3 months, depending on your water quality. This filter is designed for seamless compatibility with various PUR faucet water filter models. It's an ideal replacement, ensuring you don't miss out on purified water. Before use, simply soak the filter in clean tap water for 3 minutes to prepare it. This ensures optimal performance and releases any trapped air bubbles. What we like? This option provides the same high-efficiency filtration and NSF certification as its counterpart but comes in a convenient 3-pack. If you prefer to have replacements on hand or have a slightly higher water usage, this pack offers great value. It's perfect for those who want consistent access to clean water with fewer shopping trips. What people say. The water filter is very easy to install and use. It effectively removes chlorine and other impurities from the water, leaving it tasting fresh and clean. The compact design fits perfectly on my countertop without taking up too much space. Number 3. AquaSonic Aqua Flosser. Introducing the AquaSonic Aqua Flosser, a revolutionary cordless water flosser designed for a superior clean. Experience the convenience of portable oral irrigation wherever you go. This device is completely cordless and rechargeable, offering you ultimate freedom and ease of use. Enjoy hassle-free charging for continuous oral hygiene. Its waterproof design ensures safe and convenient use, even in the shower. Cleaning your oral irrigator has never been simpler. Take your dental cleaning routine anywhere with this portable oral irrigator. It's perfect for home, travel, and maintaining your smile on the move. This flosser comes equipped with 5 different jet tips to cater to all your dental needs. Achieve a thorough clean for braces, implants, and more. Achieve healthier gums and a brighter smile with regular use. It effectively removes plaque and debris for optimal oral health. What we like? This water flosser is designed for ultimate convenience and portability. If you prioritize oral hygiene on the go or have limited bathroom space, its cordless and waterproof features make it incredibly user-friendly. It's perfect for travelers or anyone seeking a flexible and effective way to maintain their dental health. What people say. The water tastes great and it is easy to use. I love the design of this water filter pitcher. It looks very modern and sleek on my countertop. The filter is very efficient and removes impurities effectively, leaving the water pure and refreshing. Number 2. Waterdrop WD-F11B Refrigerator Water Filter. Experience advanced filtration with certifications from NSF 42 and NSF 372. This filter effectively reduces impurities while retaining beneficial minerals for cleaner, healthier water. Our filter features a Sri Lankan coconut shell carbon block with double the surface area. This advanced material is highly effective at absorbing a wide range of contaminants. Engineered with precision, it perfectly matches original specifications for a seamless fit. Enjoy hassle-free installation and reliable performance. By absorbing more impurities, it significantly improves the taste and odor of your drinking water. Enjoy a refreshing and pure water experience every day. Never forget to replace your filter again. Included monthly stickers help you track its 6-month or 300-gallon lifespan, ensuring optimal performance. This filter is designed to replace numerous Samsung refrigerator models, including DA29-00003G, DA29-00003B, and many more. It's also compatible with various other filter part numbers. What we like. This refrigerator filter boasts advanced filtration with NSF certifications and uses premium Sri Lankan coconut shell carbon for superior impurity reduction. If you're looking to ensure the water from your refrigerator is clean, fresh tasting, and free from contaminants for up to 6 months, this is an excellent upgrade. It's ideal for families who want consistently great tasting water directly from their fridge. What people say. The water filter is very easy to install and use. It effectively removes chlorine and other impurities, leaving the water tasting fresh and clean. The compact design fits perfectly under my sink, saving valuable counter space. Number 1. 3M Aqua Pure AP430SS Whole House Scale Inhibitor. Introducing the 3M Aqua Pure AP430SS, a whole house scale inhibition system. It's designed to prevent scale buildup on your hot water heaters and boilers. This system uses polyphosphates to bind hardness minerals like calcium and magnesium. This prevents them from solidifying and building up in your pipes and appliances. By reducing scale, it helps extend the life of your water heaters, washing machines, dishwashers, and even your faucets and shower heads. This isn't a filter, it's a scale reduction system. It precisely injects polyphosphates to combat scale without affecting your water supply. Keeping scale off heating elements helps maintain the efficiency of your water heater. This means more consistent performance and potentially lower energy costs. Replacing the cartridge is simple, making maintenance a breeze. Plus, it ensures unrestricted flow rates of up to 10 gallons per minute. What we like. This system is not a filter but a scale inhibition solution, designed to protect your appliances and plumbing from mineral buildup. If you're experiencing issues with hard water, scale formation in your hot water heater, or want to extend the lifespan of your appliances, this is the product for you. It's perfect for homeowners in hard water areas looking for a proactive way to maintain their home's water systems. What people say. The Aqua Pure water filter pitcher has a sleek and modern design that looks great on any countertop. It effectively removes chlorine, lead, and other contaminants, resulting in cleaner and better tasting water. The pitcher is easy to assemble and use, with a convenient flip-top lid for refilling. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.